10 tips to help you achieve anything you want in life. 1. Set clear goals. Define your objectives clearly and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Having clear goals provides direction and motivation. 2. Believe in yourself. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your abilities. Self-confidence and self-belief are crucial for overcoming obstacles and staying committed to your goals. 3. Develop a plan. Create a detailed plan with actionable steps to reach your objectives. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and create a timeline to track your progress. 4. Take consistent action. Consistency is key to success. Take small steps each day towards your goals, even if they seem insignificant. Over time, these efforts will add up and lead to significant progress. 5. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is a part of the journey to success. View setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as roadblocks. Adapt and adjust your approach when needed. 6. Seek knowledge and improve skills. Continuously seek knowledge and improve your skills in areas relevant to your goals. Read books, take courses, attend workshops, and learn from others who have achieved similar goals. 7. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with supportive and positive individuals who inspire and motivate you. Avoid negative influences that might discourage or distract you from your path. 8. Practice discipline and time management. Develop discipline and effective time management habits. Prioritize tasks, eliminate distractions, and dedicate focused time to work towards your goals. 9. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognizing your accomplishments will boost your confidence and fuel your determination to keep going. 10. Stay persistent. Success rarely comes overnight. Be prepared for challenges and stay committed to your goals, even when faced with obstacles or delays.